Okay, here we are doing another quick little video, a short one, to ask everybody what the hell is going on here. This is downtown Cincinnati. This is October. I saw this fog rolling a couple hours ago, my wife did, and I sat there watching it roll in, make the whole skyline. If you've seen previous videos, you know how my home looks of downtown Cincinnati. Yet it disappeared. So I came out to investigate and take a film to show how thick this fog is. Well, this is crazy. Look at this fog. It's like we're having a blizzard. If you look at the snow, or look at it falling, it looks like we got snow falling everywhere, or Star Wars or something. They're going up, it's going sideways, but it doesn't seem to be going down anywhere. Taking advantage of this car's headlights to show you the representation of this. See, it's not added on. This is just some of the most bizarre. I don't know, is this a fake snow, or it has to be it's, I don't know, it's some conspiracy, Jet Trails or Trump or something, right? Because it's only wet on my porch. I'm not getting wet on my arm. I'm not feeling raindrops anywhere. But when I put my camera up, it looks like there's a blizzard. Not really, but it's not coming down. It looks like I'm in a big giant, what they call snowballs, or they look into, the girls like, from Disney and all that. Snow globe. This is how it must look like in a snow globe. Yeah, you could shake it up and the snow eventually comes down, but while it's shaking, it's going left, right, up, down, everywhere. And tell me or not, but this is everywhere. Okay, I want to add a couple minutes of fake blizzard sound and tell me if it doesn't go. Whoosh. Don't you feel you need to run to the cabin and start a fire? This is crazy. This is Michael Gross, Chef Elric, Cincinnati. Just Michael.